This is how you're going to set up user profiles in Glide. So first step, you're going to make sure that you're logged in or you have signed up to an account in Glide. And then from there, you're just going to choose the app that you want to add or to set up user profiles in. Now, after that, you're just going to head over to this data tab right here from the top tools. And then from there, you're just going to click on users from the left side panel. From here, you can set up the user profiles. So for example, you want to add a new user, you can just click on new row right here. You can set up more add datas right here or source, and then from there I'm just going to set up an example. So for example, I want to set myself as the owner of this app. I'm going to add a name, an email. You can add a photo if you want. You can just click on here and then click on upload, and then here we are going to set up a role. So for example, I'm going to set my role as the owner. I'm going to favorite myself, and then I'm going to add another one. So it's the name is going to be Lucy. You can add an email right here, you can add a photo again, and then here I'm just going to set the role to employee. So this is just an example. It's going to look funny, but you can just set it up on your own depending on what kind of status you want. And then after that, you can also just set it to favorited once again. Now again, like I said, you can add another column right here. So you can add, like for example, you want to add AI, like you can generate several texts or images. You can also add booleans, lookups, templates, and other stuff that you want to add. And that's it. The rest of these, you can just explore them on your own depending on what you need for the status profile. And that is how you're going to set up user profiles in Glide. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.